Happy Monday, y'all. I'm getting ready to do my Pac-Man Lego. And when I tell you I'm excited, I don't know how many hours. I'm thinking 5. So I may not finish it today. And that's okay. What I shouldn't have done was dust it before I did this. But I had moved my cutter and I was like, dang, it was dusty. So all I see is little particles floating in the air. But nevertheless, we're gonna get this thing going. I just want to vibe out. I'm going to finish this podcast, finish a sermon, and start a book. I should probably figure out what I'm going to start so we can just bing, bang, boom, 3 different apps. Yeah, I just need the mental clarity and the funness, that ain't the word, but enjoyability of my Lego. So let's get into it. So I really thought I was going to be a little further in, and I'm not. I don't know if this is technically my best angle, but here we are. It's the details though. It's the button for me. Beep beep. Oh, that's not the right that's not the right button sound. I'm like, this is going to do something. Yeah. So I am currently 3.5 hours in. Yeah. And I'm like, let me put my glasses on too, because I got a slight headache. And I'm just like, is this because this font is tiny? I'm used to like the interactive 3D ones, and this one is not that. So I'm like blowing up and doing all of that. So I was like, glasses on. Let's make this happen. And hopefully this headache will relieve me. And we're gonna get it done. Let's see how much I can do within the next. I'm saying I'm stopping at 5. It may be 5:30-ish. Nah, it's probably gonna be 5. We'll see. And I might pick it back up tonight. Girl, fix your collar. I'll probably pick it back up after my meeting tonight. But I'm like, I'm only on bag 6. So yeah. Maybe I need the fan on. Maybe I should open the window. Let me do all of that. Hold on. I feel like the window did much, but here we are. Maybe I won't be squinting. I should have got my heating pad too, but we here now. Let's get it.